And today I'm going to show you a quick tip that's going to cover a couple of things. You've probably seen this advertised lately, and it does work as advertised.
So what is it? You couldn't see it.
I'm sorry, this is a Dawn Power Wash, and it's what they advertise is that it cleans like almost instantly. And it does work well, however it is expensive for me and I'm on a budget. So I have this big honking jug of Dawn dish soap. And I've got a couple of items that Chef John just demoed something with, and I'm just going to show you how to wash these without filling up your sink with water, because you're going to waste the water, you're going to waste your soap, and it's just not worth it to wash a couple of items. And I don't like leaving things sitting around they get gummy and it's hard. So this is what I'm going to use instead of this. It's just a ordinary spray bottle. I got it at CVS, and what I do is I take my big honking jug. It doesn't really honk. I take the big jug and I put a couple of tablespoons in here, just maybe a quarter cup, and then I fill the rest up slowly because it's going to be really sudsy with water. If you have to wait for the suds to go down, then go ahead. But another quick tip: put a drinking straw down there and let the water dribble down the outside of the drinking straw, and it won't disturb and cause this many bumps. You can use either mist or stream on this depending on what you're trying to clean, because you don't have to limit yourself to dishes. You can do laundry stains, you can do the bathroom, you can do lots of things with this. Here's a bowl that it just has a few bits in it. You can see, it's not a whole lot. But I'm going to go ahead and just give it a couple of squirts in there and take my damp rag and wipe it out. And now all I have to do is rinse it. Instead of filling up that sink, that's what I did. And then the knife, give it a wipe that side, and give it a wipe that side. And now it's clean and ready to get put up, because I don't think it's safe to leave your knives. All I have left to do is rinse these items and we're good to go. Thank you for joining me for Chef John's quick tip. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, leave us some comments about how you prefer to do your dishes, and most important of all, share. That's not the most important. The most important is if you come back. Thank you. Bye.